are going to explore this software together. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and create a new plan, and this will allow me to plan out my content. So I'm going to create new plan, and then it's going to ask me for a plan name. I already decided to make content for Franken AI. I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this right here. Then it's going to ask me for a description. So I can either paste in my detailed description. I can also give it a website URL, and you'll go ahead and analyze the website and make a detailed description based on the information it found on the website. I can upload an audio file or record one right away, and it will pull out information from that audio file, or I can upload a document as well. In this video or in this demo, I'm gonna go with the description because I already have a description for my product. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy and paste this right into the software. And then it's gonna ask me for the language. So let me just go ahead and put the language, and they have included all the languages that are very, very popular across the globe. So they have English, French, Spanish, Italian. They even have Hindu, Arabic, Portuguese, Bengali, Japanese, Korean. You name it, they have included right here. So I'm gonna go with English for this example. The starting date, I'm gonna choose as from tomorrow. The platforms, we have a variety of different platforms. As of now, they have included all the popular platforms. So for this demo, I'm gonna go with Facebook, Twitter, and blog. I haven't integrated my accounts to the software, but you can do that. I'm gonna show you how to do that later. Objectives, this is something very, very cool. So you get to tell the AI what are your content objectives. So they have here a variety of different selections. You can choose one of these. So for example, they have increasing brand awareness, and you get to choose this one if you want to be your objective, and this will allow you or this will allow your audience to familiarize with your brand, product, or services, achieving a certain level of sales. So if you want to sell units, you get to choose this objective. Anyways, you get to look around once you are inside of the software. Just go through these and choose your objectives. Next, we have the crew frequency. So here they have included frequency. I'm going to leave it at every day. They also included some options for us right from here. So we get to check these if we want to. So we have weekends, enable or disable, the generation of tests on weekends. You get to check this one if you want to. Images, do you want images on your content? I'm going to check this one. And task details. So if you want to automatically extend task details, you get to choose this one as well. And it's going to generate a 90-day automation task based on all the information we just gave to the software. I'm just going to click on proceed, and it's going to start loading and generating the content for us. This could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, and then it's gonna generate everything for us. Now we are gonna wait, and you can also go back to plans and choose your plan that you just generated. So I'm just gonna click here, and I'm gonna wait for it to load all the content for the next 90 days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video. Welcome back, guys. So it literally took a minute or two, and it has generated all the tasks and content for us. So as you can see, for the 24th of May, it has generated this Facebook task for us. And if I click on it, it's gonna show me what I need to do and what I need to post on Facebook. So this is the content or the generated content right here. And they have a built-in editor, so I can instantly edit this, or I can copy the content and I can save changes. I can add different images. It has added images as I asked. They also gave me more details. So we have the meta title, description, keyword, and social share. message, and a bunch of more information right here. I can also mark this as completed. I can mark it as skipped, or I can publish it now. And you get to publish it once you integrate your Facebook account. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'm just going to click on back, and then I'm going to show you how to integrate your account. So you just go to automation section right here. You open up the automation, and then you get to integrate your different social media accounts. So they have added Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Telegram, and Discord, and they will add more as they did an update. So all you have to do is paste in your client ID and your client secret key, and they give you all the details on how you get to do that right here. You also get to do that for Instagram, Twitter, and all of this social media. And once you have integrated it, you can start scheduling and publishing content right away, which is something very, very cool. Same thing goes for the Twitter as well as the blog. So, for example, on the 26th of May, I have to post this onto my blog. And if I click on here, you get to basically see all the different instructions. And here is the content that it generated for me. I can go ahead and edit it. I can add or remove whatever I like or I don't like. It has the title right here, and it has the article right from here. It also has the images included as well. I can also add my own images, and it has a bunch of other information as well right here. So this is basically what it does. It's very, very simple. And then you get to also view your calendar. So if I go back right here, I get to check out my calendar and see all the tasks that I have to do in the next month or week or even few months. You can see here if I go to calendar, the internet is kind of slow, so please bear with me. As you can see, it shows me everything that I need to do. It also has the list of events dated right here up until the 6th, so up until the next month. And then I can also generate. So here it also has on the sidebar all the tasks, the overdue tasks, the current tasks, the upcoming tasks, the completed tasks, as well as the skipped tasks. It also allows me to generate more tasks. So if I want to add more tasks to a specific date, I can do that. So I get to choose the date, I get to choose the additional content and the objective of that content, and I get these options as well. Then I get to generate that task, and it will be added to the calendar and to the tasks tab right here. Also, if you are using a content planner, you get to export these tasks to a CSV, and you get to add it to Notion or any other content management or content planning tool. So this is what Franken AI is called about. I'm going to leave links down below in the description.